Now, if we want to add content to our library, so I can do that from the desktop version too. So to make a new library, I'll go to Libraries right here. Now hit Add New. So now I can name my library what I would like. I can set a description for the new library that I would like, and I can add the users. So this is where I would go in there and add in whoever I would like to be part of my library or have access to this library. And again, I could even add them by group. So if I knew I wanted the whole ATG West text to be part of this certain group or have access to a certain library, I just click that, it's selected, and then they would be added to the group. I can even change the roles. I can change it from consumer to contributor to admin. Same thing goes for individual on an individual basis. Once that's done, I would hit Create. Again. So part of our Viz Textures library, we have Brianna, Ethan, Elin, and me, and myself. So now I can go in and I can remove this user if I want. Yes, because in this case, the person no longer works here. Again, the only people I have to see this library are only the people in the Viz group, and they're all set to an admin. Again, I set everybody on here to an admin, so they have admin rights across the board to add content, delete content, make changes, add ratings to it and such. Now I can update my library. All right. Now to add some content to our library, I'll go to the Add Content library. And I can pick the library that I want to add stuff to. I can go to Viz Textures. I can add tags. So I can add a new tag, or I can use some existing tags. I can add some tile, we'll add some wood floors, or I can even create a new tag. So I can say, test materials. I can hit Create. OK. Now to add content, what we can do is I can go find some I can add an HDRI image, or I can add my certain content that I want, and actually I can even go add more. Create, and I can even go in there and I can remove some tags if I want. Hit OK. Now I'd hit Process down here at the bottom when I'm ready to upload my content. And do note there is a 200 megabyte limit for uploading content.